Hey, this is Michael from 256 Mike. All right, I got a 2006 PT Chrysler. What's the problem? Code p0882. What's happening is the transmission won't shift out of first gear, right? The problem is it's getting low electricity. That's what that code means. The power is low. Main cause on these cars. Trim right here. I already replaced that, so that's not it. So the problem is there's a short on the ground. You see the ground right there? There's ground and there's ground right there. What happened is it loses contact with the ground, or one of the ground wires breaks inside. So there's a thing called a cable tracker. What you do is, let's say you put out the plug, and then you stick one of the little things in one of the on the plug. After you put out the whole harness, take out the whole harness. There's your PCM. Make sure you unplug your battery, take it out, and then just take the whole harness. Unplug everything, unplug it from the transmission, and take it. Then I want you with the cable tractor, wire tractor, whatever you want to call it. You stick it. See, I'm trying to see. Okay, like right here. Let me give you an example. I'll make it easy. Okay, I'm putting out. There I go. Okay, you stick one end of the cable tractor into one of those, and then you just pass the other little device. It has like an antenna. You pass it to the top of the wire, and wherever it's broken at, wherever that cable is cracked at, and that's your short, it will beep and let you know. And then you just unwrap it. Bum, 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 bum. That's the wire. You cut it. Boom. Or just replace the whole wire however you want to do it. Yeah, you got to take all this off, you know. But, hey, you will fix the problem. And then your transmission was just shift smooth with no problem whatsoever. Okay, that's the main problem of this. It's not the transmission. So I'm working on this car, but look at the weather. It's been storming like for 2 days now, and it's freezing. So this is Michael. Leave a comment. I can answer pretty much any question when it comes to Chrysler. I bought plenty of them. And subscribe and give me a thumbs up. All right, thanks.